Whatever you do, how you present yourself,
Yeah.
whether you go to nightclubs, whether you go to bars, whether you go to taverns, that young kid thinks it's okay.
It's okay.
It's
Yeah.
okay. So it's important, but I must admit that, and I might sound chauvinistic here, but I must admit that our girls are more settled than the male footballers. You'll never hear them saying, I bought 2 cars, I bought 3 cars.
Yeah, they don't
You,
look
you
flashy,
always
yes.
you'll always hear, I built on at home, or I bought a house.
Is it because of this, there's this superstition that when a woman is working, you know, she, in terms of the household at home, the expectations are not the same as men?
I think the players in the women's game have realized that they've become breadwinners.
Yeah.
That's what they've realized. And I'm not going to mention who. So we were going to an event in Gauteng, where the Gauteng government was helping the netball teams and the Hollywood Bets teams and assisting them financially. And one of the players got stuck. So I had to go pick the player up at Safa House. And when we came back, this player said to me, and it made me very emotional, Coach, you know what? I saved 97,000 Rand for bricks.
Wow.
To build at home.
It made me, I still get emotional when I think of it. One said, I built on a room at home. Coach, look at my house now, what I've done.
Wow.
I've bought a flat. Don't read those stories with me. So they realize that they've become breadwinners, but most importantly, most of them are educated. When I played, 90% of the players were unemployed, including myself eventually. But now they have 1 degree, 2, maybe 3,
Yeah, yes.
still studying. Bongeka's qualified, she studied. Jermaine studied. Hilda studied. Tembi studied and then went abroad. Linda's the only one that went straight from school.
Sure.
But all the players, Colossa that has played abroad, Noko that's playing abroad, they all have degrees. The Andra that's played abroad, they all have degrees.